In the heart of East Africa lies the vast expanse of the Tanzanian wilderness, a land rich in beauty, history, and untamed nature. Within this remarkable landscape, the Hadzabe tribe thrives, living a life that has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. They are one of the last true hunter-gatherer societies, embodying a way of life that echoes humanity's earliest roots. Today, we are invited to witness a rare and remarkable tradition, a hunt for a wild bird, an essential practice for the Hadzabe. For them, hunting is more than a means of survival. It is a deeply spiritual and cultural act that connects them to their ancestors and the natural world. The journey we are about to take offers a glimpse into their profound wisdom, skill, and harmony with the land. The Hadzabe tribe is one of the last remaining societies on Earth to live entirely off the land. Their lifestyle is based on the principles of sustainability, relying on the bounty of the forest for food, tools, and shelter. Unlike modern agricultural societies, they do not farm or domesticate animals. Instead, their deep understanding of nature allows them to find everything they need to survive within their surroundings. Every tool tells a story. The bows are carved from hardwood trees, while the arrows are tipped with sharpened bone or metal. Poison extracted from local plants ensures that their hunts are efficient and humane. This expertise is not just practical, but also symbolic, passed down from one generation to the next, preserving their heritage. Women and children play an equally vital role in the Hadzabe's daily life. They gather fruits, roots, and honey from the forest, adding to the tribe's diverse diet. This division of labor ensures balance and fosters a communal spirit that defines their way of life. The Hadzabe hunters begin their day with careful preparation. Each hunt requires skill, planning, and an intimate understanding of the land. Their target today is a wild bird known for its speed and alertness, a challenging prey that requires precision and teamwork to capture. Their weapons are a blend of ancient craftsmanship and innovation. The poison they use is made from the sap of desert rose plants, carefully prepared to ensure effectiveness without harming the forest ecosystem. This knowledge, honed over generations, is a testament to their ingenuity and respect for nature. Camouflage is an essential part of the hunt. By using natural pigments, the hunters make themselves nearly invisible in the dense foliage. This attention to detail, combined with their ability to move silently, gives them a significant advantage in the wilderness. Their strategy is based on observation and experience. They analyze bird calls, study tracks, and even note the direction of the wind to anticipate their prey's movements. For the Hadzabe, hunting is not just a physical act, but a mental one, a dance of intuition and skill. The forest is alive with the sounds of nature, but the hunters move in silence, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Every step is deliberate, every sound carefully analyzed. The Hadzabe's deep connection to the wilderness allows them to notice subtle clues, disturbed leaves, faint calls, and footprints in the dirt that lead them to their prey. The moment of discovery brings a surge of excitement. Tracking the bird requires patience and precision. The hunters communicate through hand signals, a language of gestures that ensures their approach remains undetected. The tension builds as the hunter draws his bow, taking aim with unwavering focus. The silence is broken by the twang of the bowstring, followed by the rustle of wings. The shot is clean, and the bird is brought down, a moment of triumph and gratitude. For the Hadzabe, hunting is not just about survival. It is an act of respect and connection, a way of honoring the natural world that sustains them. Back at the camp, the focus shifts to preparing the meal. The bird is plucked and cleaned with meticulous care, ensuring that no part is wasted. The Hadzabe's cooking methods are simple yet effective, using open fires and natural seasonings found in the forest. The process of cooking is as much a social event as it is a necessity. Stories are shared, laughter rings out, and the community comes together to celebrate the success of the hunt. For the Hadzabe, food is a symbol of unity and gratitude, a way to strengthen bonds and honor their shared heritage. Every bite is a reminder of their connection to the land and to each other. This simple act of sharing food reflects the values that have sustained the Hadzabe for millennia: community, respect, and balance. The Hadzabe tribe offers us a glimpse into a way of life that is both ancient and timeless. Their traditions remind us of the beauty of simplicity, the importance of living in harmony with nature, and the resilience of human spirit.